What's up guys, Anmol here, and today we'll be unboxing the all-new Huawei Nova 3. So Huawei is on a bit of a roll because recently they have released smartphones, interesting ones, and right now they've just launched the Huawei Nova 3. And this one looks really awesome and I'm really eager to use this device, so let's unbox. In the box we get a SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide and a warranty card which we do not need right now, a power brick, a USB Type-C cable, and it's really nice to get an earphone and a transparent cover which you'll most definitely need because you'd want to protect this lovely looking device. Now moving on to the phone, Huawei Nova 3 looks like the P20 and surprisingly feels like a premium flagship phone. And yes, there's a notch on the top, but believe me, you won't hate it when you're using this device. Now it comes with a 5.84 inches Full HD Plus 19:9 ratio display and flaunts a glass back which makes it look really beautiful. We're getting a hybrid dual SIM slot of 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. However, we're getting a slightly lower capacity battery than the Nova 2i, that is a 3000 mAh battery compared to the 3340 mAh on the Nova 2i. All the buttons are on the right side. There's a headphone jack, speaker and a USB Type-C port on the bottom, and it actually supports Quick Charge 2.0. Talking about the processor, we are getting a Kirin 659 octa-core processor which we can find in most of the mid-range smartphones from Huawei. And it comes with a dual camera setup on the back, a 16 megapixel and a 2 megapixel combo, whereas there's a single 16 megapixel front camera that can actually take portrait photos. Onto the security, we have a secured face unlock and a traditional fingerprint sensor on the back, and you're getting all of this for a price tag of Rs 38,900. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm really impressed with how the device looks and feels in the hand, and we'll be coming up with the first impressions and review video real soon. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So until next time, ta-ra, bye-bye.